Mag-coffee time muna bago pumunta sa isang event sa Quezon City.
So yung atinan ko isang press conference ni Miss Earth Australia 2025, Alexa Broder. Siya ay half Filipina, half Australian na lalaban sa Miss Earth 2025 na malapit na mag-start. So nandito na siya sa Manila. So meron siyang press conference later at 5 p.m. So mag-coffee muna ako dito sa B1T1 Takeaway Coffee sa may Southgate Mall, Magallanes. Stopover ko to bago sumakay ng MRT papuntang QC. So yan, order ako ng ice latte. Nag-hot coffee na pala ako kanina sa bahay. So another pangalawang kape ko na to. Deco sila ngayon. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Pandan Asian Cafe uli para sa press conference ni Miss Earth Australia 2025, Alexa Broder. Ayan, nasa loob na ako. Diyos ko, buti nakahabol ako. Ayan yung mga pageant media. Jojo Pageant!
Good afternoon po everyone. On behalf of the Miss Earth Australia organization, headed by Miss Julieta De Leon, we'd like to warmly welcome you all to this very special meet and greet press conference.
I'm Alexa Broder and I am your Miss Earth Australia 2025. I would just like to say thank you so much for coming out. I understand that it's raining this evening, so there's so much traffic here in Manila right now. But thank you so much for listening to my advocacy and asking me questions about why I'm here advocating to be Miss Earth.
A few moments later.
Tapos na ang meet and greet press conference ni Miss Earth Australia 2025.
Tapos na yung press conference ni Alexa Broder. Lalapang na kami.
Touch Factor!
Touch Factor. So, nagpipicturan pa sila doon. Tayo kakain na. So ito na yung aking nahamot na food for tonight, dinner. Sorry puno yung plato ko.
Thank you for the delicious food, Pandan Asian Cafe.
Few moments later.
Ayan, tapos na ang aming meet and greet event kay Miss Earth Australia 2025, Alexa Broder. So, nandito kami sa labas ngayon ng Pandan Asian Cafe. Bali, wala ng ulan at makakauwi na kami. Yun lang, sige, bye-bye. Good night.